Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. Our topic today is looking at clinical studies where they've used antioxidant supplements to reverse male infertility. It's very eye-opening stuff. So infertility problems caused by defective aspects of sperm account for at least 50% of all infertility cases worldwide. And recent studies show that providing these men with specific antioxidant supplements at levels beyond what food alone can provide can reverse male infertility problems in a significant number of cases. So this, according to a review of the available studies on this subject published in the International Journal of Reproductive Biomedicine in December of 2016. Now, infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. More than 70 million couples suffer from infertility worldwide. As noted previously, male factors account for at least 50% of infertility cases. Now, some factors such as radiation exposure, smoking, varicocele, infection, urinary tract infection, environmental factors, nutritional deficiencies, and oxidative stress contribute to male infertility. Now, oxidative stress, which we want to talk about today, or free radicals, occur when the production of reactive oxygen species exceeds the body's natural antioxidant defenses, which is often the case in tissues that rely heavily on oxygen for energy production, such as the testes and the sperm cells within the testes. In other words, the testicles themselves, to generate energy, rely heavily upon oxygen, and so do the sperm cells that they're producing. And when you have a lot of oxygen being required and utilized in energy production, there's an end product called reactive oxygen species. They're free radicals that can damage the testes and damage the sperm. As the researchers stated, and I quote, "The increased level of reactive oxygen species or free radicals in the testes can result from environmental factors such as high temperature, electromagnetic waves, air pollution, insecticides, alcohol consumption, obesity, and poor nutrition." End of quote. But cigarette smoking should also be one of those factors that they just didn't mention here. There's evidence that sperm cells are very susceptible to free radical damage or oxidative stress because the outer skin of sperm cells consists of high levels of polyunsaturated fats that are very prone to free radical damage and hence subsequent problems relating to decreased sperm motility, DNA damage to the sperm cells, and their energy factories known as mitochondria. All of this adds up to damaged and compromised sperm implicated in infertility problems. Now, as a rule, semen contains some antioxidants that quench and stabilize these free radicals, such as vitamin E, vitamin C, superoxide dismutase, glutathione, and some other antioxidants. This means that if you're a male, some of the vitamin E and some of the vitamin C that you're ingesting from food and or supplements gets incorporated into your semen that's produced in the seminal vesicles. And these antioxidants help to quench or neutralize free radicals before they can damage the sperm itself, protecting the sperm from free radical damage. But evidence shows that there's lower antioxidant capacity in the sperm of infertile men. That explains the increased degree of damaged sperm that results in infertility. That means that men who are infertile, often they don't have enough antioxidant protection in their semen, so the sperm gets damaged and therefore it becomes incapable of impregnating an egg cell. So the 2016 review paper on this subject highlight clinical studies, human clinical studies now, where antioxidant supplements were shown to reverse male infertility. This is amazing. As an example, daily supplementation with vitamin C 200 milligrams a day and vitamin E 200 IUs a day not only improves spontaneous pregnancy by over 10%, that means now the woman was able to get pregnant in men who were previously diagnosed as being infertile. But this and other studies were shown that these antioxidants were also shown to improve sperm motility, decrease free radical end products in the seminal fluid, decrease DNA damage of sperm cells, as well as producing other signs of improved sperm integrity. Now, other supplements shown to improve sperm counts and sperm motility and sperm integrity include the minerals zinc and selenium, as well as taking a full spectrum multiple vitamin and mineral. Supplementation with coenzyme Q10, N-acetylcysteine, L-carnitine, all natural health products, have also been shown to improve many parameters of sperm integrity as well as sperm motility and sperm count in various human studies. Now, there's one more element to this story that I think is also important for males to be aware of, which involves the fact that 1 in 250 men develop testicular cancer in their lifetime. Now, this can be a very lethal form of cancer if it's not detected early, and it's the most common cancer of males in their 30s. Now, there are a number of risk factors for testicular cancer, but one of the things that stands out is that the testes, like sperm cells, or like the sperm cells that they produce, also are exposed to high levels of free radicals, and the outer skin of the testicular cells is also very high in polyunsaturated fats, which makes the testes highly susceptible to free radical damage. Now, some of these free radicals may go on to damage the DNA of the testes themselves and create genetic mutations that could lead to testicular cancer. This is just a theory, but as stated in 2017 in this review article in the Journal of Clinical Diagnosis and Research, they say the body's antioxidant system alone is not able to neutralize all free radicals and prevent harmful complications of oxidative stress. Therefore, the use of antioxidant supplements, and the development of antioxidant therapy or antioxidant supplements can break down the oxidative chain reaction and play a very significant role in increasing the body's capacity to fight free radical-induced oxidative stress and therefore improve the process of spermatogenesis. But the same antioxidants that protect sperm from DNA damage may also protect the testes themselves against damaging free radicals that can create mutations leading to testicular cancer. At least this is biologically plausible, and it's one more reason why I suggest that all males over the age of 15 take a high-potency multiple vitamin and mineral each day that is enriched with 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, 400 IUs of vitamin E, 200 micrograms of selenium, 15 milligrams of zinc, a B50 complex, and everything else from A to zinc at optimal doses. Now, if your doctor tells you that you can't take a supplement like that, there are certain exceptions to the rule, and you would heed that advice. But a supplement with these dosages is shown to improve sperm quality for men who are hoping to have children with their partner, and may also protect the testes themselves against free radical damage that can produce very undesirable health outcomes. For men who are diagnosed with fertility problems, they may also want to consider adding a supplement program to that high-potency multivitamin that would include coenzyme Q10 at 150 milligrams a day, L-carnitine at 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams a day, and N-acetylcysteine 600 milligrams a day. I think this is very important information to be aware of, as most fertility clinics may counsel men on damaging free radical effects of smoking and alcohol on sperm integrity. But they often neglect to address the studies showing that certain vitamin, mineral, and other supplements are shown to improve sperm quality and reverse male fertility problems in many cases. So I've included the references for this information in the text below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.